Chestnut County 911, what is your emergency?
There's smoke coming from the house next door.
What's the address, ma'am?
1122 Edgemont Drive.
What's your phone number, ma'am?
672-9999.
Is there anybody in the house, ma'am?
I'm not sure. His car's still at home, but I don't see him outside.
Okay, ma'am, we have the fire department on the way. Attention High Point Fire Department. High Point Fire Department needs you to respond to a possible structure fire at 1122 Edgemont Drive. 1122 Edgemont Drive. It's going to be a single family dwelling. Possible entrapment, smoke showing 2400 clear at 135.
2400, High Point Ladder 1's en route.
Ladder 1, copy you en route.
Ladder 1's on scene. Got a single-story mobile home, smoke showing.
Copy Ladder 1, single family dwelling, smoke showing, on scene.
They will be forcing entry, making a right-hand search.
Copy.
Commander, we have a victim.
2400, we do have a victim.
Much is clear.